Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of September, 2024, our system has ranked Nvidia as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.74. Let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it develops in the days ahead. The stock currently rests in the midst of a broad and declining trend over the short term, indicating that further declines are expected. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 8.2% over the next 3 months, with a possible range of returns between -26.13% and -0.403%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a significant increase of 157.08% over the next 12 months, with potential returns ranging between 136.59% and 256.96%. This would translate to a price range from $274.44 to $414.07 after a year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Nvidia stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Nvidia stock price decreased by 1.59% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, falling from $117.87 to $116. During that day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.80%, with a low of $115.39 and a high of $118.62. The price has shown volatility over this period, yet there has been a 12.81% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume rose on the last day by 68 million shares, although this occurred amidst declining prices, which may serve as an early warning sign. The risk level is expected to increase slightly in the coming days. In total, 354 million shares were exchanged for approximately $41 billion and $30 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $140.76, while the lowest was $39.23. Currently, the price is 17.59%, or $24.76, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia is positioned for significant growth, driven by increasing demand for its data center networking chips, which may emerge as a key growth driver in the $80 billion market. With a robust second quarter of 2025 performance showing revenues up 122% year-over-year and earnings per share soaring 168%, Nvidia continues to demonstrate its strength within the data center segment, outpacing concerns about artificial intelligence-related capital expenditure sustainability. However, challenges loom as geopolitical tensions could lead to a decline in revenue from China, while competitors like AMD are gaining ground with rapid growth in their data center sales, potentially surpassing Nvidia in profitability next year. Despite this, analysts still view Nvidia's valuation as justified, given ongoing graphics processing unit shortages and the continual rise in computational needs. Recent trends suggest Nvidia's stock benefited from a rally following the Federal Reserve's announcements, Yet the semiconductor sector must navigate significant volatility and skepticism moving forward. In the short term, these factors may buoy stock prices as institutional investors look to capitalize on Nvidia's leadership in artificial intelligence technology. However, as competition intensifies and macroeconomic uncertainties persist, Nvidia's long-term trajectory may become more nuanced, warranting careful consideration for investors. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Nvidia an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Morgan Stanley rated Nvidia as underweight, issuing a downgrade recommendation. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, William Blair assigned Nvidia an outperform rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 11th of September, 2024, Goldman Sachs rated Nvidia as a conviction buy with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 5th of September, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated Nvidia as a buy with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Nvidia stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal emerging from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. In the event of further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $116.84. Conversely, should the stock decline, it is likely to find support from the long-term average at approximately $115.46. A breakthrough of the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a decline below the long-term average will prompt a sell signal. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 12.81%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is identified. However, it is important to note that some negative signals have also been issued, which could impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume has risen alongside falling prices recently, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 39 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 212 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss associated with Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level at $109.21, as well as $107.27. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If it breaks through, the stock could drop to the next support level. In this instance, Nvidia's primary support lies at $109.21. Should this level be breached, the next support level is established at $107.27 and $100.45. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.23, between its high and low points, reflecting a change of 2.80%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 3.12%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors anticipate substantial growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 19th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 73 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $117.02. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $109.21. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Huang Zhenshun, who bought and sold 101,563 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 98.920. In total, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 1,690,165 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia currently displays several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will likely continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 23rd of September, we anticipate Nvidia to open with an increase of approximately 669 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $116.67. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target price for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and may you have a beautiful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.